Hello ma'am, this is Ram. You are 15CS308. Here I am going to explain about my fifth experiment, that is from package. Here I have to explain the concept of the package with the help of a program. The program is like I have to create one mess menu item for the mess, and the item will for the mess supervisor uh, that can he use in the proper way for visualizing the item and the item bill for the week by using the concept of packages. So here I am going to implement my code, and so that I have created one package called mess. Inside that package I have created one class menu. Inside that class I have created one array named as breakfast of size 7, lunch of size 7, and dinner of size 7. Three are of string data type. So inside this class itself I am going to define one function, that is void food. Inside the void food methods I am going to create one object of scanner class. Inside that function I am going to display one message on the screen and enter the menu for breakfast of the week, and will asking the menu from the user. So for that purpose I am going to start one loop from 0 to 7, and here I am giving the input for that particular name for the breakfast menu. So here I am giving one more message on the I am printing one more display message on the screen, like the menu items of breakfast for the week is, and we are by the help of for each loop we are going to print the value of I, that means the name of the breakfast. So again, in that function only I am going to ask from the user, that is enter the menu for lunch of the week. So for that purpose, in the same way I am going to start one loop from 0 to 7, and I am giving the input. So that what will happen, again I am printing one more message, the menu for lunch is, and with the help of the for each loop I am printing the value of I, that will be the name for the lunch food of the week. So in the same way I am asking from the user, and I will display a message on the screen like the menu for dinner of the week. And for that purpose I am going to start one loop from 0 to 7, and I am giving the input dinner of I equals to s dot next of line. Next of line we are using because we have created the array of a string data type, so that we are using the next line. So again we will display one message like the menu for the dinner is, and with the help of the for each loop again I am going to print the value of I, that will be the menu for the dinner. So come in the item bill, as per I have taken the menu item and menu item for the lunch, breakfast and dinner from the user. I will take the bill for that breakfast, menu and lunch from the user only. So what will happen, so in that same directory, the directory will be the same, but in the different package 2 I'm going to, directory is same but in the different package. Why I'm using this different package, because at the end in the test class I will import these two packages, and while importing you 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 can see I can use the data or the methods from the both class menu and the item bill, that is in different packages. While importing it can be usable in the test class, so that we are in the same directory. I am going to define one different package, that is package 2. Inside that package 2 I am going to create one class item bill. Inside that item bill again I am going to create three object, that is three array, that is breakfast of size 7, lunch of size 7, dinner of size 7, and one more thing, total, because I have to calculate the bill of the lunch breakfast and the dinner for one day, and totally it will be displaying of the week, that first day is this much bill, second day is this much bill. So that I'm going to create one more array, that is of total. So come inside the method. of the item bill function. So item bill function, I'm going to define one method, that is food bill. Inside the food bill, I'm going to create an object of scanner class, and I will display a message on the screen like enter the price of the daily menu item, and I'm going to ask the price from the user. So for that purpose, I'm going to start one loop from 0 to 7, and here I am giving the here I am giving the input, so that again I will display a message on the screen like the price of the given food is. And for this purpose, I am going to use for each loop, and with the help of the for each loop, I'm going to print the I, that will be the price for the daily menu item, that is the breakfast. And likewise enter the bill for the lunch, and we are getting the bill for the lunch, and here with the help of for each loop we are displaying, with the help of for each loop we are displaying the bill, so that you can see here. In the same way, for dinner we are getting the bill from the user, and with the help of the for each loop we are printing the price of the dinner, so that here in this again I will display a message on the screen like total bill of the week. Here we will calculating the total bill of lunch, dinner and breakfast for a week for the main supervisor, so that here you can see for int I equals to 0, I less than 7, I plus plus. So total of I equals to breakfast of I plus lunch of I plus dinner of I. Total it will for each day, how it will be working this loop. For each day it will be calculating for lunch separately, for dinner separately, and for breakfast separately. So again I am going to display one message bill generation for the week, and with the help of for each loop we are printing the value of I, that means the total bill. So come in the last package 3. Inside the package 3, one class I have created as class test. Inside this package only I am going to import the both package, that is mesh package and package 2. So we are importing the mesh package and package 2, mesh.menu equal to m equals to new mesh.menu, and we are calling with the help of the object food, and we are importing here the item bill, and we are calling with the help of the object that methods inside the package 2. So here I will build and run this program, and now we'll check the output, what will be the output. So I'm building and running this program. So as per the code, it is asking for enter the menu for the breakfast. So it will be like somewhat complicated, more input I have to give, because 7 days we have to create. So somewhat I am giving the input, you can see. So it is showing, you can see here it is showing the menu for the breakfast. In the same way I have to give so in the same way we have to give the input for the dinner. So now it is asking for the price of the daily menu items, so just enter. Now it is asking bill for the lunch, just give. Now it is asking bill for the dinner, so just give. So now you can see the output for the for the first day. You can see here, for the first day it is generating the bill of 400. Second day it is generating 350. Third day it is generating 382, and fourth day it is generating 405. Fifth day it is generating 426, and sixth day it is generating 602, and seventh day it is generating 740. So this all was my program. Thank you very much.